Example 7. 2 dice are thrown and the sum of the numbers which come up on the die is noted. Let us consider the following events. Okay, so first die irukku. So basically 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. So first 1 comma 1, then 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. You have 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6. In the exam please write 1 comma 1 1 comma 2 1 comma 3. Okay, inga na short hand எழுதுறேன். 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 1 3 2 4 2 5 2 6 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6 4 3 4 4. So this is my sample space. So A another, the sum is even. So what will be my sample space? Sum even na இந்த இடத்துல 1 plus 1. So it will be 1 1, comma, inge the sum will be even. So it will be 1 3, then 1 5. First line முடிஞ்சது. Second line 2 2, 2 4, 2 6. Third line 3 1, 3 3, 3 5. Then 4 2, 4 4, 4 6. Basically என்ன sum வந்து even சொல்றாங்க. So add பண்ணா even number வரணும். So 5 plus 1 6, 5 plus 3 8, 5 plus 5 10, 5 plus 4 9, odd number. So 5 1, 5 3, 5 5. Then you have 6 2, 6 4, 6 6. This is the sample space of A. Then you have B. The sum is a multiple of 3. Sum should be a multiple of 3. அப்போ 2 இது add பண்ணா என்ன வருது? 3 வருது. It is a multiple of 3. So you have 1 2. Then 1 plus 3 4, 1 plus 4 5, 1 plus 5 6. So you have 1 5. அடுத்த லைன்ல 2 1, 2 4. Next line 3 3, 3 6. Next line 4 2, 4 5. What is the divisibility check to check if the number is divisible by 3? 4 plus 2 6, 6 divisible by 3. 4 plus 5 9, 9 divisible by 3. அடுத்த லைன்ல 5 1, 5 4. Next line 6 3, 6 6. So this is the sample space of B. அடுத்து the sample space, the sum is less than number 4. C வந்து the sum is less than 4. அப்போ I have 1 plus 1, 1 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 1 2. Sum is less than 4. அப்படின்னா 1 plus 3 எடுக்க கூடாது. It is less than or equal to 4. But இங்க questionல என்ன? Only less than 4. The sum is less than 4 னா இது எடுக்க கூடாது. Then I have 2 comma 1. 3 comma 1 வராது. It is already greater than 3. So this is my sample space for C. What is D? The sum is greater than 11. Sum greater than 11 na 6 plus 6 is 12. I have 6 plus 5 which is 11. It should be greater than 11, not equal to 11. So it is only 6 comma 6. So this is my sample space for D. So now what are they asking? Which pairs of these events are mutually exclusive? Mutually exclusive na enna artham? There should not be any intersection. Correct? So now I see that. Let's check for A and B. A and B la I have 15. That is common. So இந்த இடத்துலயும் 15 இருக்கு, இந்த இடத்துலயும் 15 இருக்கு. So which means A intersection B is not a null set. Correct? So let me write. A intersection B is not a null set. So this is first point. அடுத்து A and C la பாப்போம். So I have 1 1 here, I have 1 1 here. Which means A intersection C is also not a null set. Okay? Then let me see for B and C. B and C la enna common ah irukku? I see 21 and 21. Which means B intersection C is also not equal to null set because there is some intersection. இல்லையா? So அங்கே intersection இருக்கு. So now AB, AC, BC. Now let me check AD. AD க்கு ஏதாவது common இருக்கா? So I have 66. So I have 66 here and 6 comma 6. Sorry, it's not 66. 6 comma 6. A intersection D is also not a null set. Let me check for B intersection D and C intersection D. B intersection D என்ன இருக்கு? I have a 6 6 here also. So I have a 6, 6 and a 6, 6. So B intersection D is also not a null set. C intersection D, they do not have any intersections. So it means this is a null set. This is not equal to null set. So only C and D are mutually exclusive. C and D are mutually exclusive. Example 8. A coin is tossed 3 times. Okay, so sample space enna? Sample space. மூணுத்துலயுமே head வரலாம். Changing my ones place, changing my tens place, changing my hundreds place. அப்படினா அர்த்தம் t. So t t t t t h, changing my ones place. Then changing my tens place. So t h t t h h. So this is my sample space. இப்போ என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? No head appears. A equals no head. No head எங்க இருக்கு? Head, 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 head. So A will be T, T, T. What will be my B? Exactly one head appears. இங்க 3 head, 2 heads, 2. So here. So I have H, T, 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 H and T, H, T. So exactly one head appears. This is my B. What is my C? C is at least 2 heads. At least 2 head na you can have 2 heads or more than 2 heads. So 2 irkalam illa 3 irkalam. So I can have 3 heads, 2 heads, H H T, H T H. இது இருக்க முடியாது. I need at least 2. So minimum 2. So minimum 2 na 2 irkalam, 3 irkalam. So this is ruled out, this is ruled out, gone, gone, this one. So T H H. So this is my ABC. I have no head அப்படினா TTT மட்டும்தான். I have only one head. So இதுல மட்டும்தான் one head இருக்கு. Here at least 2 heads. So I can have 2 heads or 3 heads. Okay. So this is my sample space. Do they form a set of mutually exclusive and exhaustive events? Okay. So இப்போ mutually exclusive ஆன எப்படி பார்ப்போம்? Let us see A intersection B, A intersection C and B intersection C. இது மூணுத்தையும் தான் பார்க்கணும். இப்போ what is A intersection B? Nothing. Null set. A intersection C, I don't have a TTT here. So this is also a null set. What is my B intersection C? இங்க ஒரே ஒரு head தான் இருக்கு. இங்க ரெண்டு headல இருந்து தான் இருக்கு. So obviously there won't be any intersection. So which means they are mutually exclusive. So how do you check if they are exhaustive? Exhaustive na A union B union C should be the whole sample space. This means they are exhaustive. So let's check. So S equals. So A union B union C equals TTT, HTT, TTH, THT, HHH, HHT, HTH, THH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 elements and they are equal to the sample space, which means they are exhaustive. So they are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Okay.